Are you writing your romance novel in 2024? So am I. Come and join me. I'm Kiley Dunbar. I'm the author of the best-selling Borrow a Bookshop series, and all through the year I'll be releasing videos every month or so teaching you all the basics that you need in plotting, how to write a meet cute, how to write first kisses and attraction, how to deepen conflict, how to write your happy ever after or your happy for now ending, everything that you need to know for writing a romance novel. And those will be released every so often on Patreon for £18 sterling per video. It's a pay-as-you-go kind of thing. And it's designed for people who are either starting to write their first novel, who are moving from other genres into writing romance, or maybe this is your 100th romance novel and you just need a friend to share the process with, because writing can be quite a lonely business and a little bit daunting. So join me, I'll be here for you, and we'll hopefully have a great time together writing your romance novel in 2024.